Today, I'm going to show you how to add audio, how to export audio, how to reverse audio, how to trim audio, how to change the speed of your audio. Let's jump into it. Open Audacity, find your audio file, drag and drop your audio file into Audacity. To trim your audio, click and drag over the section of audio you would like to delete. Press the delete key. To reverse your audio, click and drag over the section of audio you would like to reverse. Click on Effect, click Reverse.
I'll make a decision if I want to be.
To change the speed of your audio, highlight the section of audio you would like to change. Click Effect, click Change Speed. Change the speed multiplier, how you'd like it. So 1 would be normal speed, 2 is double speed, 0.5 would be half speed. As you can see, it's shortened the timeline here. To export your audio, click on File, hover over Export, click on which audio format you would like to export it as, name your file, click Save. If you would like to enter the metadata, you can. If not, just click OK. Thanks for watching. Look out for part 2. Catch ya.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless.